So this is probably your first exposure to the wood lathe, I'm sure.
I took woodwork in high school.
Excellent, excellent.
I wasn't good at it. So.
I took home ec. That was back in the day when you had to, you know. Guys had to take home ec and girls had to take wood shop.
I lived in England for like my entire high school
Uh-huh.
situation, so you had to do wood like that.
Cool. That's great. Yeah, I think it should be that way.
Yeah.
Everybody should get exposed to it. I learned all kinds of neat stuff, how to sew on buttons, how to make pizza out of a biscuit. So I was
One of my favorite pizzas growing up, when you would like make your own little
Yeah,
one out of the
yeah,
pizza. Or
yeah.
English pizza.
yeah, okay.
I've definitely seen one of these before, but I was very little. My grandfather was a gunsmith, so he made his own stock.
Sure. Yeah. Excellent. Okay. So what we're going to do today, like I said, is I'm going to give you a demo. I'm going to show you how this is going to go. Okay. First of all, do we have a deadline? Do you have somewhere to be at a certain time today? Okay. So we're free to do and have fun. Okay. Good. Good. Absolutely. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about safety. Obviously, safety glasses. You have to wear those all the time. Okay. Hairs up, everybody's good there, and that's pretty much it. If you just watch me and follow my directions, then we'll have no problems. I've been doing this for many, many, many years. I've never had an accident or any kind of problems. So everybody that comes here and does this for the first time, for about 10 or 15 minutes, they're intimidated, okay? They're a little bit shaky when they get up here. That's normal, don't worry about that. It'll go away in a couple of minutes, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you here, and then when it's your turn, I'm gonna stand with you, I'm gonna help you hold it, I'm gonna coach you so that you're nice and comfortable, and then I'm gonna turn you loose and let you do it. You'll see how easy this is, okay? We're gonna practice holding the tool, okay? Remember, it goes in your dominant hand. Whichever's your dominant hand, doesn't make any difference. Hold it loosely, lightly, like this, up against your side, so that you're like this, okay? Everybody got it? So make sure the back of your handle's raised up just a little.
Oh, yes.
That's good. So the first thing you need to do is go up there and grab a pen kit. Let me have your tools. Grab a pen kit. There's two colors. There's gold and satin, silver satin. And then grab a couple of blocks of wood. Excellent. Wow. Any little tiny designs in it, now is when we do it. Okay. So this is the point of your pen. So if you want a little indentation for your fingers to rest in, you put that right there, okay? And then you've got a few beads and coves if you want that, or you can have a bunch of beads and coves, you know, or just plain straight, both of them just nice and smooth. Hold on a second.
I would be out here all day too.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah. I'm out here till I can't stand anymore, and then I go in and get on DaVinci Resolve and start editing videos. You did that in slow motion?
Yes.
Oh,
Doesn't it look so
that's
cool?
cool. I know.
Oh my god.
You need to send me that so I can put it in the video.
It's on Jenny's phone. How cool is that?
That is awesome.
I said I want one.
Oh, this one. And then I did the time lapse is so fast that I didn't like. It's just.
That's cool.
Yeah, that one moves so fast.
though.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so listen. This is important. Listen to this. I had Frank called me. I didn't know him before this, but his name is Frank. And he called me and he said, I'm getting married in 3 months. And he says, I want to make a plate to put our wedding cake on. So, can you help me? I said, sure. So he came in, and he came in 4 times. And we did this beautiful cake plate about this big around. And it's got epoxy resin in different colors in the center, so it's transparent. And then a nice pedestal, and he finished it, and he got married 2 weeks ago, and he said the lady who baked the cake had never seen a more beautiful cake stand. So yeah, he had so much fun that he came back before the wedding, and he made his mom a bowl, a natural edge bowl. She loved it so much, he came back the next week and made one for his future mother-in-law.
Oh my gosh.
So sweet.
Isn't that cool? Yeah, so Frank had a great time. Okay, so we're turned. You know how to get your pins off the lathes?
I think so.
And take a break. We're gonna move some stuff around.
Oh wait.
Let me get this
No, it does go all the way in.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I was just turning the wrong bit, I think. Yeah.
We might be good. It took a little bit of crooked. Okay. You got it? Yeah. Spring engaged. Spring engaged. Right there.
Yeah, that looks good.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You're like, it wins.
Yeah.
Oh,
Popped right in.
That was
easy.
the worst
Yay.
winter in 50 years, and of course it was the winter we were there.
I love this.
That's how my sister's was when she was in Boston. It was the worst winter when she was there for the first year.
Wow. Yeah,
We're
Boston
staying in a
Honey.
tiny house village. So that was
Yeah.
the first surprise.
Yep.
And it's absolutely gorgeous, but the way that
Oh, it's
everyone
beautiful.
was making it sounded like some kind of like mansion.
We were hyping it up a lot.
She
like,
showed
oh,
up
you're
thinking-
gonna love it. She thinks it's a mansion. We pull into a tiny house
a little
community.
dumb.
Oh my god.
Oh.
So you have to push it in a bit more then, for sure. Oh my god, that's hilarious.
For sure.
Yeah. And I'll step over.
Good to know.
Just cheering everything.
Okay, there you go. Perfect. That'll do.
Yeah, I think we'll be able to get it just like this.
We could do like a long
Yeah. Is yours on a timer?
I'm doing video, so I can take any picture, take any one of the frames.
Perfect.
Mine's a
Yeah.
10-second timer,
So we'll pose.
Here we
Can
go.
I wear one of my noses?
Yes.
You should. You absolutely should.
Oh, you're fine.
Alright, it's going.
Okay, 6, 5.
Yes. I'm gonna hit it again. Let's move over this way a little bit.
We'll do escape. Shuffle.
Okay, 7.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Say
Nice.
hey.
pens.
All right, so now this one,
Wood
right?
pops pen.
Okay.
I think that's on.
That's it.
Sweet. We can just do like a little circle.
Oh my god, so funny.
Now come here.
Should I text you?
Yeah. You're killing me.
Are we good?
Yes.
Yes.